Good morning, my dear students. Warmly welcome to Ideal and Others Vidyalaya Educational Institutions. It's my pleasure to see the online classes. Social Science. We discuss about economic unit first. Lesson: Understanding Development, Perspective, Measurement and Sustainability. Now we discuss the topic for introduction and different perspectives about development, indicators of economic development. Introduction. The word development is the used widely. It refers to the progress of a particular field or a particular persons. Similarly, the economic progress of a country is known as a economic development. What is economic development? The economic progress of a country is known as economic development. However, the interpretation of the concept development keeps on changing from time to time, from person to person, and its meaning gets extended further. Next topic: the different perspectives about development. Every human being has an ambition or desire of his or her own to achieve the progress in life. Similarly, we have ideas about how a country should progress. If our thinking turn towards the progress and about the ways to achieve the many goals for progress, it led to the development. Let us try to imagine what development means to different people. The development means the improvement, the progress, freedom to grow, bettering yourself, never ending process, grows within, advance, part of daily life, not doing same mistake twice, way of moving towards growing process in needed direction. From the above the diagram, you will notice that other than income, people seek freedom to grow on their own. Thus, the development refers to the improvement in quality of life. The development refers to the improvement in quality of life, such as higher income, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty, and more equal opportunity. This is a development. The development refers to the improvement in quality of life, such as higher income, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty, and more equal opportunity. Next topic: the economic development. The economic refers to the overall growth of all sectors of the economy by adoption of new technologies. Economic development improves the living standard of the people as well as the status of the country. Okay, the important indicators of economic development. The major indicators measure the level of economic development and are net national product, per capita income, purchasing power parity, and human development index. Important economic development indicators. What are the indicators of the economic development? The net national product, per capita income, purchasing power parity, and human development index. Do you know the gross domestic product, final money value of total goods and services produced within the geographical boundaries of a country during a specific period of time, normally a year, is known as the gross domestic product. What is meant by gross domestic product? Final money value of total goods and services produced within the geographical boundaries of a country during a specific period of time, normally a year, is known as gross domestic product. Next topic: net national product. What is meant by net national product? The net national product is considered as a true measure of national output. It is also national income. A rise in per capita income mean an increase in aggregate real output. Hence, this is a better indicator than national income for measuring the development. Net national product. What is meant by net national product? Net national product means it is the net production of final goods and services in a country during the year. It is GNP depreciation. NNP is also referred to as national income at market prices. It is known as the net national product. NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation. It is known as the net national product. Per capita income. The per capita income derived from the national income by population. Per capita income derived from the national income by population. I mean, the average income is calculated by dividing the country's total income by its total population. The average income is also called the per capita income. I mean, the average income is also called the per capita income. The calculation on the per capita income of all countries are calculated only in the US dollar in order to compare international level. I mean, according to the World Bank report, new income measurements of countries are classified below 2017 to 18. The low income, I mean below 1005, it is known as the low income in the international level. The lower middle income 1006 to 3,955. It is a lower middle income in the world level. Upper middle income is 3,956 to 12,235 income. It is a upper middle income. Higher income is above the 12,235 is the higher income in the world level. Okay, next topic, purchasing power parity. Purchasing power parity is defined as the number of units of a country's currency required to buy the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as $1 would buy in the US. I mean, purchasing power parity means they defined as the number of units of a country's currency required to buy the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as $1 would buy in the US. India became the third largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity. China became the largest, defeating the US to the second position. I mean, India became the third largest economy in the terms of purchasing power parity. China, the second position in the purchasing power parity in the world level.